she likes, what she likes, and she could put it all on you, baby. If you bout that life, because you don't got time to choose it.
Hey Tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and by the look of this title and the visual, you already know what time it is. As a refresher for Season Tribe and a first look for our newer viewers, a few months back, I transformed my square nails to a stiletto set in a whole step-by-step revamped tutorial. You can check that video out here. Good times, good times. As for the current travesty I've got on my hands, I could easily sum up what happened to my nails as a 2-week series of physically misfortunate events. But no, we're making the time today because I've never broken that many nails in a short time frame by just being clumsy and reckless. So a proper memorial and recall of their demise is in order before the big chop. Let's get started. First up is yellow thumbnail. I was reaching for something in the trunk of my car and she snapped a bit. And as she's braking, I'm thinking to myself, I can fix you, just hang on. Sad part is, she completely broke off moments later with my second reach. She was a goner who didn't stand a chance. Pointer, I mean, she's been breaking. Honestly, I had to tape her a month ago. She snapped a day before Thumb did. I saw this coming. She was a trooper though. Now these two decided to tag team me. I was reaching for the light switch one day and hit the door instead. They both decided to go from stiletto to coffin in a snap. It really be your own nails. Pinky is coolin' as per usual, just flexing with a little bit of chippage on the one side. She's good for now, but just keep an eye out for her during this video, okay? For the right hand, we're gonna start things off early with that tape removal, okay? Off thumb. I swear, my thumbs could not catch a break this growing season. And if they did, they'd still break, clearly. Pointer, I mean, she looks cool and intact, but she was low-key crumbling on the inside. Just watch out for her too. And middle finger was out of here before I could even get around to filming the half break. Let's be real. Ring finger is here now, but had actually gone missing throughout the vast majority of this sad story. It literally won't make sense until the end of this video. I can't. Moving on. And right pinky, the same pinky that always looked out and always held it down. As a recap, this is the same pinky that had broken clean off earlier in time but had gotten fixed and filed to bring us here. I think it's time for us to finally go our separate ways. Needless to say, she was loaded on both sides with the nail glue, base coats, glitter, silk wraps, and the works. Through her breakups and hard times, she was solid. The others may have failed me, but she deserves a break. Be free, Pinky. Thumb. I mean, really? It was at this moment when I wondered if I could end things single-handedly. The answer was yes. Thumb is giving us hyponichium realness right now. Post Big Chop, she's really exposed, but she's slaying with that glitter in the background hyping her. I see you, Thumb. And now that all of the lingering pieces are left behind, it's time to proceed onwards. Or so I thought. I actually took a little bit of time filming this video, you know, depressing stuff. I thought I was at least done shedding nails, but no. A few days later, light pink pinky dipped out too. Thumbnails are dancing and ring finger literally just went missing. I'm literally shook beyond explanation and narration at this point. Moving on, cause it's clipping time. Since Pink wanna just pop off at the last minute, she can get the rest of her stuff too. Pointer, again, no hard feelings, you did the best you could. Prize, Pinky, you did good, girl. I'm proud of you. Ring finger, I'm just in confusion because you literally are missing in action out here in these streets while we're in the middle of filming. But anyway, off you go. Middle finger, it be like that sometimes. I do understand. Now see, this is what I was talking about. Just when you think Pointer is okay, holding it down, she's crumbling too. And she couldn't even take the normal clipping. Just straight turned on me. I can't make this stuff up. Ah well. And then there's just Thumb, chilling like it's no big deal. On to mega middle finger. She literally does not take my job as maintenance tutorialista personnel seriously. I'm trying to do my job and trim her, and she'd rather play seesaw. It be your own nails, I'm telling you. And lastly, ring finger. She was the last to go, so she was pretty good about it. I think she understood the playtime was over and done with. And here are the leftover nail and petty polish chips, looking all sad and stranded. No sympathy from me, moving right along. Now that the girls are freshly chopped, I'm gonna remove the rest of their cracked coverings that were hanging on a little longer than their fallen counterparts. I think that no light lead-in wannabe gel top coat I used was the problematic culprit, because every time I used it, the polish on my nails would crack like glass the very next day or so. And then my nails shortly after that. But I digress. So now it's time to get the girls in order, and I am ready to file. Specifically with this fine grit one. And my thumb is back again, with an edge that's giving us Pac-Man ghost vibes. Again, still playing games. Other thumb was cool, but I'm sure everything is getting to her and rubbing her the wrong way. So I'm gonna use my clippers to clip off her little tiny callus. Pointer was giving us some lip and a little bit of callus to trim back too. And after all that, we still gotta undull the girls. So I'm gonna go in with my softened buffing block to remove uneven bits. I made a tutorial for how to buff like a boss a while ago, link here. Some of you guys might watch it, others might still leave the comment section in shambles. But it's okay, because she likes what she likes, and you gotta do what works for you. But of course, I can't just be done with my nails after everything we went through. After the second day of the travesty, Ring Finger was found. I retrieved her from my hair days after she'd gone missing. I almost lost it when I felt something hard in my hair in the shower. My nails are on joke time even after the fall. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy story tutorial, found it helpful and even entertaining. Despite what happens to my nails, just keep going with your nail growing journeys. Everything is everything. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy nail growing to all, and I will see you in the next one.